Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making arugula salad. Arugula is an edible annual plant in the family of Brassicaceae, used as leaf vegetable for its fresh tart, bitter and peppery flavor. And today we're going to be merging it with some watermelon and a little bit of balsamic vinegar, salt and cheese. So let's do it. Right here I have my watermelon. I'm just going to chop this up. I'm going to cut it open and cut it into cubes. As you can see, this is going to make the salad to be really refreshing and delicious because arugula has a kind of bitter taste to it. So right here our arugula is already washed, and then I'm adding some salt to it. And now I just cut up one whole lemon, and I'm using just a piece out of the whole lemon. I'm just squeezing the liquid into the arugula as well. And here is our delicious looking watermelon, already cut up into cubes. I'm just going to add that. And here is our sesame oil, just adding a little bit. Also the balsamic glaze cream, I'm just going to add a little bit as well. I'm not advertising any of these products, so I'm just using them anyways. So after adding the balsamic glaze, the next is I'm going to be adding just a little bit of cream cheese. This is optional. Feel free, you can do without it. Or you can even add goat cheese to it. And I'm going to just stir that together. This is so refreshing. You can use this as side dish, or you can even have it as a meal. It depends on you. This is a very healthy salad. Anyone can have this. Anyone can enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed it so far. I hope you liked what you see. Kindly leave me a comment in the comment section, and thank you all for watching. Hopefully, I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.